Hello, Stunning fan. Michelle here. We're glad you stopped by. I have been obsessed with using recyclables to make crafts and activities for my grandkids. In today's video, I'm using some cardboard and toilet paper roll and some other supplies I had around the house to make a really cute pom-pom shooter with a target that I found on Instagram on Cardboard Folk. My grandson really had a really fun time playing with it, so I suggest you give it a try. Watch as I create. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.